Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Snapchat device ban. So let's first talk about why you get banned. And the only reason is because you violated terms of usage of Snapchat application. And first you're gonna make sure that you stopped all of illegal stuff you are doing and violating the Snapchat terms of usage. Then after this, when you stop doing this, you go to profile and go to settings. You're gonna scroll down, search for I need help. From there you're gonna go contact us, and right there you're gonna choose the one that describes your problem. For example, I can't access to my account. I think my account was compromised. I forgot my passport. My account is locked, for example. And if all of you didn't answer a question, you're gonna go 3 dots and contact us. And after all of this, you're gonna contact them, and if they didn't help you, like this articles, you're gonna describe your problem. For example, if you answer I think my account was compromised, you're gonna write your username, email, mobile number, and description of your problem. So you're gonna describe the problem, and more likely they will contact you and solve the problem. So that's the only legal way to do. If you don't want anymore to be banned again, you're gonna go there and nothing else. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.